Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to embed a video into Google Slides on your mobile phone using the Google Slides official app. Whether it is Android or iOS, it is the same for both the devices. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. And let's get started with the video. First, you need to open your Google Slides. Simply open it, and here choose the presentation where you want to insert a video. I will simply choose this one. Now in here, simply tap on your presentation and click on edit slides option. After that, simply click on the plus icon at the top of your screen and scroll down until you find the link option. Simply choose where you want to put that link. I will choose here. Now you can add link over here. Now tap the video and you will see two options by URL or Google Drive, or you can simply choose another option as well, like this. You will need to choose which slide do you want to put it in. If you want to have a YouTube video link, just paste the URL and tap insert or done. I don't have any URL right now, so I will just guide you through it. If the video is saved in your Google Drive, just browse it and select it. Once it's selected, you can drag, resize and move the video anywhere on the slide, and there you go. Your video is now embedded directly into your slide, ready to play during your presentation. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Google Slides tips, and drop a comment if you like me to cover transitions next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.